Hey girls, you want to do a video? Hi Fiona. Just try not to escape any. It's Cheyenne, Marceline, Momo, and Fiona. My 4 RV girls. Guys having fun out here? Huh? My sweeties. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, Momo. Come on, Fiona. Am I getting a bath? Are we escaping? Oh, honey. What are you doing? Huh? Come on, Cheyenne. Don't escape. Cheyenne and Momo, I call them the twins, but I can tell them apart quite easily. This one's Momo. Am I getting licked? Am I dirty? Huh? Hi, Momo. Momo has Mickey Mouse ears. Cheyenne doesn't do that quite so much, do you, sweetie? Come here. Show everybody your spot. She has a spot on her belly. That's Cheyenne. Fiona. Good girl. There's my girls.